Trade only gold. Trade only gold. This is a good news for those of you who are clamoring that gold is very volatile. Yes, it's a global asset and it's one of the best pair anybody can lay his hand off. So if you're a beginner or a professional who has been trading gold and you're struggling, today is game-changing opportunity in your life. Trust me, what I'm about to give you has generated 238% in the last 2 months. I'm not telling you to believe me. All you need to do is get your cup of coffee, get your paper and pen, stay to the end, and then take everything that I said. Go there, backtest, use it in your live account, come back in the next 2 or 3 months and tell me how your life have changed drastically using this very strategy. So without further ado, let's begin. The first thing we need to do in this very strategy, because of time issue, I'm using New York time, and that's time frame I'll be measuring. Change your time to New York. Go down to your time zone here, change it to New York. Once you have changed that, on your trading view or any platform you're using to analyze your market, you zoom in the chart to figure out the structure of the market. And we all agree that whenever price high to low, that makes it low, then move from that very low to high, that is make it lower high, and from that high, taking up this low, lower low. And once it's taken out, it's called break of a structure. Now, the market is in downtrend. Hope this is clear. So now we have another break of structure. That's the first thing you need to do to identify the structure of the market. Once you identify the structure of the market and you're tending to this time, 6 o'clock p.m., that is the end of New York session. So we need time for our timing in this very strategy. First thing, defining the structure of the market, we have defined the structure of the market that we are in downtrend. As we approach 6 o'clock p.m., which is end of New York time, we need to mark out the recent highs and low in 15 minutes time frame. We're using 15 minutes time frame as our higher time frame in this strategy. So let's assume we're now in 6 o'clock p.m. That is end of New York. From this 6 o'clock p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m., if you look above, you will see the line labeled. 6 o'clock p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m., we are looking for recent highs and low in 15 minutes time frame. This is dead time zone in forex. Nothing is happening. Preparing for Asian opening at 8 o'clock p.m., we'll be looking for recent highs and low in 15 minutes. So now let's assume we have this high during this time. We mark it out. This is our high and this is our low. This 8 o'clock p.m. closure candle. We have marked out the things we need. The next thing we need to see is sweep on the high because we're in downtrend. So because we're in downtrend, we need to see a sweep above this high. So let's assume market sweep this high during this time, 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock p.m. We move down to 1 minute time frame to find a market structure shift or double sweep pattern. I hope this is clear. In 15 minutes time frame, we have sweep. Remember what I said. Once you define your structure that you're in downtrend, market structure in downtrend, from 6 o'clock p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m., you mark out your recent highs and low in 15 minutes time frame. Now you look for sweep on the highs of that 15 minutes time frame because you're in downtrend. Then now move to 1 minute time frame to find a market structure shift or double sweep pattern before 10 o'clock p.m. Hope this is clear. Now we are in 1 minute time frame. This is the higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high. If 1 minute time frame, you know how it moves. We were looking for market structure shift. When this very lower high is taken out with displacement is when we have a fair value gap and push back again. From here, we're taking our entry before 10 o'clock p.m. The entry will not exceed this 10 o'clock p.m. Anything outside this 8 o'clock p.m. to 10 o'clock p.m., you don't take that trade. I said what? You don't take that trade. So now we are going short. We're going short from this fair value gap. You give at least 2 pips because of spread. Your target 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, 1:5, 1:6. Sometimes I made 1:15 risk to reward. So once market taps into this fair value gap, you drop down immediately. It happens all time, but you know nothing works 100% all the time in forex. Sometimes market may take you out before moving to the predicted direction. So this is what we'll be looking for. So same thing applicable if you are in uptrend. Okay, let's assume you zoom in the chart and you see the market moving up from low to high, from high to low, and the break of a structure. It tells you that the market is in uptrend. Then this is our break of structure, this is our break of structure, and we are close to 6 o'clock p.m. where we mark out our recent highs and low in 15 minutes time frame. Now here is our low and here is our high before 8 o'clock p.m. We need to see sweep because we're in uptrend. We want to continue with the trend. Once you have a sweep in the recent low, that is the most recent low we have during this time, from 6 o'clock p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m., you move to 1 minute time frame, find a market structure shift with a displacement or double sweep pattern. You enter your trade and target 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. Sometimes I made 1:12. I said this time without number. It's not a joke. When I start giving you example, you will see how you can pass your challenge, how you can make 80%, 50% of your account on monthly basis. So guys, let's take the forex example. The first thing you need to do, change your time to New York. Be conscious of time. Anywhere you're in the world, change your time to New York. Now we need to analyze the market structure. Analyzing this move, we're in downtrend. We made triple top here. Market change character this very time. Market change character here. We have break of structure. This is a break of structure, and this is another break of structure. Now, if you are confused concerning the sessions, you invite your Lewis Argon session indicator. It will tell you the section that you are in. You understand? So Tokyo section is now on, which is 8 o'clock p.m. But marking out your recent highs and low will be in 15 minutes within the time frame of 6 o'clock p.m. New York time. That is the closure of New York. So here is our 6 o'clock p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. the opening of Asian session. Then what the time we need the sweep to happen is between this time 8 o'clock p.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. So here is our 10 o'clock. Here is our 10 o'clock p.m. So we have marked out everything. Let's mark out our recent highs and low to look for sweep. This is recent low on within this the time zone in the forex, 18 o'clock to 8 o'clock p.m. So this is our recent. Let's take this out. Our recent high in 15 minutes time frame between 6 o'clock p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. So we have marked it out. We are waiting for sweep to happen before 10 o'clock p.m. and define entry at the same time. So let's wait for sweep. Because we are in downtrend, we are looking for sweep in this high. We are not interested for the market. If market sweep the low, you can take the counter trend, but that gives you 1:2 if you want to trade that. But for me to get massive risk to reward, I only look for sweep if I'm in uptrend. If I'm in downtrend, as we are in downtrend now, we're looking for sweep in this recent high in 15 minutes time frame between this time 8 o'clock p.m. 6 o'clock p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. So here is the high and here is the low. I'm only interested to see a sweep on this high. So let's see if it happens. I have a sweep. So totally now I'm grateful and I have confidence that I will win massively. I will now move to 1 minute time frame to find a market structure shift with displacement. I hope this is clear. Moving to 1 minute time frame, from 15 minutes time frame to 1 minute time frame to find our entry model. So let's look for market structure shift. Sorry, I did not show you where you should target when this happens. Here will be my final target. To be honest with you, I have two targets here. The first target is this zone, and the last target will be here, because I've identified my market structure. I know in the downtrend. So if anything happens here, this lower low will be the alt extreme target for the market for the day. Hope this is clear now. Looking for market structure shift in 1 minute time frame. Let's see if we can be able to capture this very move. Beautiful. This is the recent lower high we have. If market can be able to close here, we find entry. Beautiful. Market have closed here. So now I want to share something with you. I want to share something important with you here. There is no fair value gap here. There's no fair value gap here, and you won't call this as a blow because it's not valid to me. The only thing that will get me in this trade is using this other flow, the last buying pressure before the drop. Then I will use the middle. That's how I do it. I will invite my Fibonacci extension tools from this zone to this extreme. This is the center of this very move. That's where I set my pending order. And let me set my sell limit. This very zone. Few pips, at least give 2 pips for spread, because you're targeting 1:3, 1:4, 1:5, sometimes 1:10. So give 2 pips for spread to accommodate the spread. Remember what I said? Here is my last target for the day, this extreme high, and it gives me 11 risk to reward. As time goes on, you will have confidence to hold to that very extent. So let's see how the market plays. Market moves into the zone. You see how the market moves into the zone. Pick up my order. So let's see if it rose. Beautiful. For those of you who like 1:2 risk to reward, your 1:2 is already there. Sorry. But for the sake of this strategy, I told you you will win massively. We are targeting this extreme lower low. That gives us 11.6 risk to reward. Haven't you passed your challenge? Haven't you passed your challenge? What the fuck are you waiting for? Okay, now let's see. Let me move it to 5 minutes for you to not waste much time here. Market moves back again. There's no room for panic. There's no room for panic. We move back. I know my market structure. I don't panic. This happens every time on gold. Use this strategy. Thank me later. Win massively. There's no room for error. Do everything I said correctly. Come back next 3 months. Tell me how your life have changed. Beautiful. You can see we have hit our take profit. We have hit our take profit. This is 11.6 risk to reward. I suppose give another example, but this video have taken longer time. I will close it here. Maybe if you're interested in having more example, you inbox me to tell you more things you need to do. That should be on text. But for the sake of this video, we are long enough. This is super long for anybody who can be able to watch. But thank you. And I don't want to say much. You need to subscribe. If it is your first time, you need to share with your friend who are still struggling. And if you want to become a profitable trader, stop trading other pairs. Focus on this strategy. Focus on gold. And you come back in next 3 months, tell me that you have buy your own house. So see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all.